Chery apologizes after failed Tianmen mountain stair climb. Chinese automaker Chery has issued an apology after a highly publicized attempt to drive a Fengyun X3L electric SUV up the 999 steps of Tianmen Mountain's famed Heavenly Ladder ended in an embarrassing mishap. The vehicle failed to complete the climb, sliding backward into a railing and causing damage to the scenic site. The stunt, intended to mimic a 2018 feat by racing driver Ho Pin Tung in a Range Rover Sport, quickly went awry. Footage shows the Fengyun X3L losing traction halfway up the 45-degree incline, with a detached safety rope contributing to the failure. The vehicle then slid down the steps, colliding with a guardrail before coming to a stop. Chery acknowledged the incident, attributing the failure to a detached safety rope that became entangled in the wheel, obstructing power output. The company has pledged to repair the damage, cover compensation, and conduct a more thorough assessment of potential risks before future attempts. We extend our sincerest apologies. For the damage caused, Chery stated in a translated statement, "We acknowledge that our planning revealed insufficient anticipation of potential risks." The failed attempt drew widespread criticism online, prompting Chery to issue a full apology for the disruption and potential misuse of public resources. Despite the setback, the company plans to retry the challenge on November 25, with potential modifications to the vehicle's tires and torque distribution system. The Fengyun X3L, which is not currently sold in Australia, boasts an approach angle of 22 degrees, a departure angle of 30 degrees, and 225 m of ground clearance. The four-wheel drive variant combines a 1.5-liter engine with electric motors, offering various drive modes including snow, mud, and all-road. The incident highlights the contrast between Chery's approach and that of JLR, which constructed a test model of the staircase in the UK before sending a Range Rover Sport up the climb. JLR's Dragon Challenge also included driving the 99 hairpin bends of Tianmen Mountain Road, demonstrating a more comprehensive preparation process. The failed stunt underscores the importance of thorough testing and risk assessment before attempting challenging feats. While Chery has apologized and promised to rectify the situation, the incident serves as a cautionary tale for automakers seeking to push boundaries without adequate preparation.